This is how you update your iPad to iOS 26. Go into the settings. If you see a message to update right here, just tap on that. But if you don't see that message, go into the General tab and then tap on Software Update. And it's going to check for updates. Mine recently checked for one, and this is what it found. So if I tap on this, it should take me, goes to the same spot. Either way, you end up here. It's going to check for an update. This can take a few minutes sometimes. So let's just pause this video while this works. There's the update. Before we update it, however, we're going to want to plug in our iPad for best results, because sometimes it can take a while and it can drain a lot of battery. And then tap on update, and within an hour, sometimes half an hour, sometimes 15 minutes, your iPad will be updated to the latest version and you'll be ready to rock and roll. And after you update, you want to make sure you have plenty of space on your iPad, because it just works better when there's more space. This video right here shows you 5 different hidden trash cans you can empty on your iPad that are going to help you find more space. So check out that video next. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I will see you on this one.